Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by turning Siri on and confirming it can hear you. Open System Settings, go to Siri and Spotlight, enable Listen for Hey Siri, or pick a keyboard shortcut. This gives you immediate access. Choose your preferred language and voice so responses make sense. Once done, check Input Device in Sound Settings and grant Siri permissions for microphone and app access. These steps matter because accurate input and correct locale reduce recognition errors and speed up every command you run. Now practice issuing useful commands. Say concise, natural phrases like open mail and show unread messages or find files named Budget 2026 in documents. Make sure to include app names when you need context, for example, in Notes or in Finder. You can chain tasks, ask for a meeting note, then ask Siri to create a calendar event from it. Also try follow-up queries right after a response. Siri maintains short-term context, so you don't repeat full details. Finally, streamline workflows by building shortcuts for repeated sequences like summarize today's emails or start focus with playlist. Once your shortcuts exist, trigger them by name with Siri to save time. If Siri mishears or fails, first verify microphone input, selected language, and app permissions. These are the most common causes. If issues persist, toggle Siri off and on or reboot your Mac. That usually clears glitches and restores normal voice recognition and responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.